Maintaining that perfect balance between the health and playability of your turf is dependent on several key factors. One of the most important factors lies below the surface, and it's the composition of your soil. Let's take a closer look. Ideal soil structure is an equal balance between pore space and solid surface. And ideally, that pore space should be 50% air holding and 50% water holding. This desired structure optimizes the retention of air, moisture and nutrients in the soil, promoting a healthy root system and vibrant turf. Of course, most soil isn't perfect, which is why we add amendments. But as you'll soon see, all amendments aren't created equal when it comes to benefiting turf. Profile Porous Ceramics, PPC for short, is a unique soil amendment that provides increased availability of water, air and nutrients in soil. It's produced from a unique mineral blend consisting of montmorillonite clay, opal CT and quartz. The mineral is sustainably mined and processed into particle sizes suitable for specific types of soils. When Profile is kiln-fired at high heat, it creates a porcelain ceramic particle. This ceramic surface is important as it makes the particle dust-free and able to withstand heavy traffic. When you include the appropriate volume of PPC during maintenance practices, renovation or new construction, it has significant advantages when compared to sand by itself or other amendments. Here's why. Sand is a predominantly solid particle with no internal porosity. Remember how ideal soil is balanced? Well, the profile of sand-based soil is anything but. It has little water and nutrient-holding ability. Because PPC is composed of 26% solid material, 39% water-holding space, and 35% air-holding space, it can change soil structure for the better by improving infiltration and uniform hydration when compared to sand by itself. Specifically, when you blend PPC into a root zone mix, top dressing or aeration backfill, it provides ideal soil conditions by balancing pore space and airspace. In addition, the solid material in PPC has a higher cation exchange capacity, which facilitates increased nutrient exchange. Once added to the root zone, PPC becomes a permanent solution. Because of its ceramic surface, PPC has a proven breakdown rate of only 3% over a 20-year period, providing lasting benefits throughout the life of your greens. This low breakdown rate gives PPC an advantage over peat as a soil amendment. PPC maintains external pore space and infiltration rates better over the life of your greens because peat breaks down over time, eventually clogging the pathways essential for water movement and root growth. PPC's ability to give you a more ideal soil structure makes it a great solution for combating common turf problems. Some of the great benefits that it provides are reducing dry spots, increasing rooting depth, reducing organic matter, increasing firmness, preventing compaction, combating algae, and more. To learn about the performance and plant health benefits of PPC in greater detail, contact your local Profile Products representative or visit our website.